Hi everyone! Do you feel like your iPhone is slow and takes too long to open apps? If so, don't worry, it happens to all of us. In this video, I want to give you a few tips to make your iPhone as fast as the first day you got it. If you find this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and comment. Let's get started. Check your storage. Go to Settings, Greater than General. Greater than iPhone Storage. Here you'll see which apps consume the most memory. Delete any apps you don't need. When an iPhone is low on space, it starts to lag, so freeing up space is key. Background App Refresh. Go to Settings and search for Background App Refresh. You can choose which apps update automatically. I recommend leaving it on only for essential apps, or turning it off completely if you have a 64GB device like mine. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and the volume up button for a few seconds to restart it. This clears unfinished processes and makes the phone run smoother once it's back on. Reduce motion. Go to Settings, Greater than Accessibility, Greater than Motion, and toggle on Reduce Motion. This simplifies animations, making the iPhone work less and feel much faster while saving battery. Clean up Safari. Go to Settings, search for Safari, and find the option Clear History and Website Data. To be more effective, I choose Clear All History and Close All Tabs. Keep in mind this will close any open websites you have. Disable. Listen for Hey Siri. This feature keeps the iPhone constantly waiting for your voice, which drains the processor, especially on older models. Turning it off gives your CPU a break. Analytics and Improvements. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics, Share iCloud Analytics, and improve Siri and dictation. These functions use your GPS and CPU in the background just to send data to Apple. If this video was useful, let me know in the comments. If you know another tip, I'd love to read it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.